Hi again. A word on sounds in your environment. You might live in an area that is very quiet. Excellent. You might have quiet meditations or meditations that are filled with sounds of nature. Or you might live in the city like I do and have all sorts of different sounds, natural sounds of the city, like construction and reggaeton and some salsa and bachata mixed in with merengue. All good. No need to feel like you can't meditate because of the sounds in your environment, the natural sounds of the city. Simply learn how to work with them, just like your thoughts, about the sounds. You're going to notice, acknowledge, honor that you are in a city, honor that people are living their lives, that the city is doing work on sidewalks and streets, and come back. Come back to your anchor point, the breath or a touch point in your body. All is well. I hope that helps.